What is up, Paradise Crew? My name's Griff.
And I'm Alyssa.
And today we're going to talk to you guys about what you need to do the day before your cruise. It's coming up, maybe tomorrow. Make sure you have these done. Now, the chances are, if you're watching this video, you have a cruise coming up very quickly. It could be probably tomorrow morning. So, some of these tips are going to require you to do them well in advance. So, you're probably a planner, just like my wife, which means you're already ahead of the game. But there's a few things, just a little bit more things you want to make sure you have under control before you cruise tomorrow.
So the very first thing that you'll want to do is get out your to-do list, whether it is a piece of paper or an app. We've actually been using the Wunderlist app and it has been a lifesaver. Essentially, you can make a list for anything and share it with somebody else.
Yeah, and you get a notification every time something's updated, changed, or modified. So
it's true.
Everyone's on the same page or same list. It's wonderful.
So for example, a few things that are on our list are things like dropping off the dog, making sure she has extra food, getting out cash at the bank, things that I may forget in the craziness of everything. I just want to make sure that I have it written down.
Next up is gathering your travel documents. Now, we say this a bunch because it's true. If you haven't gotten these documents by now, you should probably grab them and get them together.
This is also a great time to attach those luggage tags. So if you haven't done this before, make sure that they are printed out, filled out with your name on it, and attached to your luggage that you plan on checking with the porters.
All right, cruise geeks, if you're a tech nerd like me, make sure you actually update all your equipment. I'm talking about your drone, the software on your computer, all that stuff. Make sure it's updated, make sure the batteries are charged for them, and then once everything's good to go, start packing them ahead of time so you don't forget them at home. Because the last thing you want to do is be out next to a cruise ship about to take a photo of an awesome dolphin and you see these little red flashing thing in your corner. You're like, oh, I'll just pop in a new battery, and guess what? You don't have any charged batteries.
You sound upset like it was an experience. Now we're hoping by this point you are already completely packed, except for the few things that you need in the morning. So that would be any toiletry, like your toothbrush, all of your makeup, ladies. So just gather all that together. Make sure that you have out only what you need for that morning so you can pack everything and put it in your suitcase right away.
And if you are flying, be sure to check into your flight. Like I said, it's the little things. The little things.
Oh, and if you don't want to park your car at the airport, schedule your Uber early. So our flight, I believe, leaves at like 6:30 in the morning. That means we have to get up and be at the airport by like 4:30. I'm gonna schedule my Uber ahead of time.
Yeah, for sure. And finally, the last thing is getting some sleep before your cruise, okay? You're gonna be excited, anxious, nervous, depending if this is your first time or your millionth time. Just be sure to get some sleep. It's coming, you're gonna have a blast, so get ready, go to bed.
Go to bed.
Go to bed. Guys, thanks for watching this video. We have a free Facebook group for you guys to hop in, join us, ask us questions, talk about stuff, or just chill out and talk about cruises. It doesn't really matter. It's super fun and it's super free. And we're gonna leave you guys with the question of the day. What is the countdown for your cruise? What ship? Let us know in the comment section below.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up.
And if you dig the vibes, please subscribe.
And if you care, please share. We'll see you in paradise.